Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall the KB5085516 update on Windows 11 step by step. If you're having issues after installing this update, just follow along. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu. Click on Settings. Inside Settings, click on Windows Update. Now click on Update History. Scroll all the way down. Click on Uninstall Updates. Now locate the update KB5085516 in the list. Click on it, then click Uninstall. Click Uninstall again to confirm. Wait for the update to be removed from your system. Once the process is complete, restart your computer. This will finish the uninstall process. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled the KB5085516 update. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.